Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video, we are going to see the My Leads section. In this section, you will find all inquiries made on the Bonton portal for its offline services such as holidays, group inquiries, and forex inquiries. Holidays. You will see the inquiry reference number, product name, status, starting and ending date of travel, number of nights, and travel date. You can get more details by clicking on the reference number. Here, you will find your quotation and the customer quotation. In your quotation, you will see the Bonton price, and in the customer quotation, you will see the price with your markup to share with your customers. Along with package details, you will also see leads information such as the leads passenger's name, email, and contact number. On the right side, you can confirm or cancel the quotation. For further processing of holiday inquiries, kindly contact your RM. Air Group Inquiry. Here, you will get the reference number, status, PNR, inquiry date, and flight details like booking date, travel date, flight itinerary, number of passengers, etc. At the end, you will also see the rejection reason if your inquiry has been rejected. Once you click on the reference number, you will get all the details of your inquiry. On the right side, you will have options to cancel or confirm the inquiry if the team has provided you with a quotation. Forex. Here, you will see the reference number, status, rate for, city, from currency to currency, transaction type, B2C customer leads name, leads email, leads number, date, and other details. Once you click on the reference number, you will get all the details on the right side. From there, you can either confirm or cancel the inquiry. Thanks for watching this video patiently. We will move forward to booking services in the upcoming videos.